Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader completely free on your computer or laptop. This app is super handy for opening, viewing, and editing PDF files. First, open your favorite web browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari, whichever you prefer. In the search bar, type Adobe Acrobat Reader and hit Enter. From the search results, click the official Adobe website. It should say Download Adobe Acrobat Reader Free PDF Viewer. I will leave the website link in the description of the video. Once you're on the page, click Download Acrobat Reader. After a few seconds, the setup file will appear in your downloads, usually at the top right of your browser. When the download finishes, open the file to start the installation. Just follow the prompts and wait a few moments while it installs. Once the installation is complete, click Finish, and Acrobat Reader will launch automatically. If a pop-up appears asking you to set Adobe Acrobat Reader as your default PDF viewer, go ahead and confirm it. To view a PDF, click Open File, then choose any PDF document from your computer. Now, to make sure all your PDF files open with Acrobat Reader by default, open your Start menu, go to Settings, then Apps, and select Default Apps. Scroll down to Adobe Acrobat Reader and check that all file types, especially .pdf, are set to open with it. And that's it. You've successfully installed Adobe Acrobat Reader, and now every PDF on your computer will open in it automatically.